You have been uploading shorts the wrong way and missing out on views. This is how it needs to be done. Go to the YouTube app on your mobile. Click on the plus symbol, select your short video. History shorts are blowing up everywhere, making people hundreds of dollars per day. Click on Done. Click on the tick mark. Now the first juicy point here is to add music, and that too, the trending ones. Click on Add Sound on the top. Select a song from the top sounds section. Let's change the volume. Original sound should be at a 100. Our added music can be set to a low value of 5 if you already have music in your short. Else, you can change it accordingly. One more juicy tip or added advantage of uploading a short from mobile is that you can select a thumbnail for your video, which is not possible when you upload a short from your PC. Before that, you can add a title and tags. I recommend you to add 1 or 2 tags corresponding to the video and rest as shorts, trending, viral, etc., to possibly give the short an additional boost. Let's choose a thumbnail by clicking on the Edit Pencil icon. You can choose any frame as a thumbnail and click on Done. Next, I suggest you to keep the video visibility as unlisted and click on Upload Short. This is because you can go back YouTube Studio on your PC and add description, tags, related video, etc. It is way easier than rather adding all these details from your mobile. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.